Acrobat provides so many ways to create PDF files, and in this session I'll specifically focus on how you can go about doing this from within Acrobat, and a few examples of how you don't even need Acrobat open. Now, one of the ways to create a PDF from within Acrobat is the File, Create, PDF from File command. This brings up a dialog that automatically lists all the supported file formats that you can convert. I'm going to cancel out of here. Now, another way is to use the Create, PDF from File command. This brings up the same exact dialog with all the supported file formats. You can also use the Create PDF command directly from the Welcome screen. And again, this brings up the same menu. Now, notice that each time that the dialog opens, you're actually seeing the Open dialog, which means that you can also use the File Open commands from the Welcome screen, Toolbar, or the File menu. Simply select the All Files, and you'll see everything that you can open and convert. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this, and then I've rearranged the window here to show you another few ways that you can create PDF files. You can also drag a file directly onto the Acrobat shortcut or right into the Acrobat pane. I'm going to go ahead and grab this Word file and drop it onto the shortcut. It'll launch Word in the background and automatically create my PDF for me. Now, the last way to create a PDF on Windows is to select a supported file. In this case, I'm going to select an AutoCAD file. Right-click and select Convert to Adobe PDF. I'm prompted to save my file, and it'll automatically convert it to PDF, even though I don't have AutoCAD on my system. To see which types of files your version of Acrobat supports, and this is dependent on whether you're using Acrobat Standard or Pro, you can open up the Preferences, which is Edit, Preferences on Windows, or Acrobat Preferences on the Mac to check the supported file types. Look in the Convert to PDF category, and you'll see all the file types listed that your version of Acrobat supports. Now, in previous versions of Acrobat on the Mac, you couldn't open Office files directly in Acrobat. However, now this is possible. And as you move through the supported file types, you may notice that some file types have settings that you can adjust. For example, if I select TIFF, notice that you can turn on or off settings for automatically running OCR, or Optical Character Recognition. This means that certain things can be done automatically when you simply open your file, eliminating the need for extra work in Acrobat. And don't worry if you don't see your particular file type listed in the preferences, because you can always use the Adobe PDF Printer to print your file to PDF from any application, or if you're on a Mac, you can use the built-in capability of the operating system to create the PDF file. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of here and just mention that we'll be discussing how to use the Create PDF from Scanner and PDF from Web Page, as well as the Combine files into a single PDF in separate sessions. But I did want to touch on a few other creation scenarios during this particular session. And the first is the Create PDF from Clipboard, and the second is inserting a blank page. Now, to create a PDF from content that's located on the clipboard, select the Create PDF from Clipboard command. And if this command is grayed out like it is here, it simply means that the clipboard is empty. So let's go ahead and copy some content to the clipboard. For example, I'll grab a screen capture by selecting Print Screen key on Windows. On the Mac, you can use the Grab utility that's located under the Applications Utilities Grab. And then you choose Edit Copy to place the content on the clipboard. So now that the content's on the clipboard, we can choose the File, Create, PDF from Clipboard. And the PDF is automatically created with a screen capture image. Now you can also create a PDF from a blank page rather than beginning with a file. So to show you this last feature, let's close this file so we have nothing open in Acrobat, and this file as well. And then we'll open the Pages panel under the Tools pane and select the More Insert options and select Insert Blank Page. Now on the Mac, press Command-Shift-Q and a blank page will then be open in Acrobat. So now that we've walked through the ways to create a PDF from within Acrobat itself, the last thing I wanted to mention is that it's possible to do this for multiple files. And this command is located under the File, Create, Batch Create Multiple Files command. This dialog allows you to select individual files or a folder of files to convert. And after you have selected your files, you can set a few output options and then run the command on multiple files. So I'll select a couple of files here to show you this option menu here. Just remember, it's only possible to convert the files that your version of Acrobat supports, which may vary depending on whether you're using Acrobat Standard or Pro.